What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Facebook account email address. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Before we begin, know that this method works for both the web and mobile Facebook applications. For the purposes of this video, we will use Facebook's web application. Navigate to facebook.com and make sure to log in to your account. While on the home page, select your profile icon in the upper right corner of your screen to open a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. In the Settings window, open up your Account Center located in the left side pane. Now, under Account Settings, go to Personal Details. Select the Contact Info option to open the Contact Information pop-up window. Here, choose Add New Contact and then select Add an Email. In the Add an Email Address pop-up window, enter the new email with which you want to associate your current Facebook account. Under Choose Accounts for this email address, checkmark your Facebook account and then click Next. A confirmation code will be sent to your newly entered email inbox. Enter the code and then click Next again. Upon getting a confirmation message, you'll be able to delete your current Facebook email address from the contact information pop-up window and replace it with a different one. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.